Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to save picture from Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show save picture in Publisher. Now going to the insert menu option, then click. Now click for picture option. Now you find your picture. Now select from any picture. Now click for insert option. Now you can see insert from picture in Publisher, this picture in shape. Now we're going to the file menu option, then click. Now you can see, then select from save as option. Now you can see, then select from any document. Now click for desktop option. Now select from file name. Now select from any file from save. Now select from open. Now click for save option. That's it. Now you can see save picture in Microsoft Publisher. Now you can see, then save the folder. Now check. That it. Now you can see save picture in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.